Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. We did see some much needed rain throughout portions of Miami-Dade and Broward. Now this morning we are waking up to mostly clear skies in Miami-Dade and Broward. Down by the Keys though, we are seeing that cloud cover sticking around. So with us having light winds and plenty of cloud cover throughout the overnight, that is now pushed offshore, and low level moisture, there is that possibility of some dense fog that could occur throughout the inland portions of Broward as well as Miami-Dade. But for now, there are no advisories. Take a look at the radar. We are dry from Lake Okeechobee all the way down to Key West, and that's how things will stay this morning. But once again, we are anticipating the development of the sea breeze by this afternoon, and that could bring us some rain throughout the inland portions of Broward as well as Miami-Dade. Now today, all the storms should stay inland and push away from the coastal areas. So coastal areas are going to heat up once again. Temperatures this morning in Miami, 77 degrees. The winds are calm with a relative humidity of 85%. 76 in Fort Lauderdale and in the Keys, Key West, waking up to mostly clear skies with a temperature of 83. Other temperatures around town, 74 in Hialeah as well as Pembroke Pines, 76 in Kendall, Miccosukee, Pompano Beach, and Oakland Park. So across the state and into the western Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico, we have this broad area of high pressure in place that's going to provide for our wind flow moving off the ocean. That will bring us a chance of an isolated shower later on this afternoon, and then once the development of the sea breeze occurs, we will see a better chance of some storms. Once again, they will stay inland and they'll push back to the west. As we take a look at your Tuesday forecast, rain chances do go down through the middle part of the work week. That broad area of high pressure will dominate our weather factor, and that's going to bring us a bit more dry air in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere. Going to the tropics, things are quiet in the Gulf of Mexico and also in the Caribbean. There's just some tropical moisture located in the western Caribbean, but no development is expected and very quiet conditions in the Atlantic, just how we like it. Marine forecast calls for a threat of rip currents. If you're doing any boating, the bay will be at a light chop. Free in the lower Keys, no advisories. Inside the reef, 1 foot. Beyond the reef, 1 to 2 feet. Nearshore waters will be at a light chop. Highs today in the lower 90s at the coast, mid 90s inland. Yesterday, we set the record, actually tied it rather, in Miami with a high of 93. Today, we're not flirting with the record in Miami, thank goodness, but it's going to be hot. It'll be humid, and we'll see that chance of PM inland storms. Lows will be in the mid to upper 70s. Here's your 7 on 7 forecast. Rain chances do go down by Tuesday and Wednesday, and they'll go right back up by the end of the week and into the weekend. Have a great Monday.